Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today let's solve another LeetCode problem, shall we? So today's problem is called count equal and divisible pairs in an array. Okay, so given 0 index integer array, okay, and in K return number of pairs I comma j where I is greater than 0, less than j, and is less than the length. Okay, and then nums at I and nums at j has to be equal, and then I into j is divisible by k. Okay, so basically we have a number, both number has to be equal, and the index of the first number has to be less than the index at the second number, and then multiplying these two, the result has to be divisible by k. So we're gonna do the brute force approach. Okay, you guys can try it, it's not bad. Okay, the solution is quite good. So first we're gonna need a counter, and count equals 0. Why do we need count? Because we need to return how many pairs that fits this criteria. Okay, that fits into this criteria that is given. So we just have to count those pairs. Okay, so we just use one counter for, and then we use for loop in I equals 0, I is less than nums dot length, because we're gonna go through all the elements I plus plus, and then we're gonna have another for loop, okay, in j. So since I has to be less than j, then we're gonna do I plus 1. Okay, j equals I plus 1, while j is less than, again, nums dot length, so that we don't run out of index out of bounds, j plus plus. Okay, not that hard. We're gonna check. So the first condition says nums at I has to be equal to nums at j. Okay, so we're gonna check nums at I whether it's equal to nums at j. So nums at j, if it does, we're gonna have one more condition. If I multiplies j mod k equals 0. Okay, so if it is divisible by 0 or not. Okay, if it's divisible by k or not. K could be any number, but the product of I into j divided by k has to be 0, means no remainder. If it is, then we're gonna do count plus plus. Okay, that means that's one pair, and then we just gotta return count. That's it, guys. Like 4,000 people are solving this. Is like a daily kind of thing, daily problem. And then here we go, we can submit this. There's no constraint about talking about time complexity. The time complexity is order of n square. So yep, we beat 98% of the solution, so yeah, not bad. So that's it, guys, and we're gonna keep solving problems again and again until we become very good at problem solving and everything. Okay, so that's it for today. God bless, see you next time.